Hello everyone, my name is Thanakrит T.Trichag. I'm from Department of Forensic Medicine, Chiang Mai University, Thailand. My research is about metabolomic characterization of human vitreous fluid using NMR spectroscopy. This is the outline for this presentation. Starting with the background, after death, the body will begin to decompose in different rates in each organs, including tissue and body fluids. The vitreous humor is in the eye and has a decomposition rate slower than other fluids due to its structure that isolated the eye from other parts of body. And vitreous is protected by blood retina barrier, which make it remains uncontaminated from environment. These properties make it useful for forensic analysis. In present day, the vitreous fluid are used in forensic investigation in case that we could not collect the blood sample. Vitreous can be used to analyze alcohol level, electrolyte, and help detect illegal drug substance. The research of vitreous are very few in numbers, and some suggest that there may be more compounds that are still unknown and waiting to be discovered. And some suggest that vitreous substance may be affected by factors like sex, age, ethnicity, diet, and environment. This pointing to a gap in current research, and this substance may have a role in forensic investigation. The aim of this research is trying to explore the endogenous and exogenous biochemical compounds in vitreous humor. This research has been approved by the Ethics Committee of Faculty of Medicine, Chiang Mai University. The samples were collected from autopsy case at Maharaj Nakhon Chiang Mai Hospital. Total 76 samples from 63 males and 13 females, with age ranging from 20 to 92 years old. The collection were between September 2019 and January 2024, with postmortem interval less than 24 hours and no signs of decomposition. The samples were prepared by using 1 milliliter of vitreous and centrifuged at 4,000 rounds per minute. Then the supernatant were collected and then vaporized. After vaporized, the dry residue was added with trimethylpropionic acid as internal standard and deuterium oxide as solvent, then using NMR spectroscopy to analyze the sample. The picture on the right-hand side is the NMR spectroscopy machine at Department of Forensic Medicine, Chiang Mai University. For the data analysis part, the NMR spectroscopy then collects the data from vitreous in micromolar of each compound. The data then analyzed by using quantitative enrichment analysis module in Metabolomic version 6 via online platform. Before the analysis of data, the data were normalized by median and transformed using logarithm equation and auto-scaling by mean center and divided by standard deviation of each variable. For the parameter setting, were chemical superclass metabolized library based on chemical structure. For the result, a total of 217 compounds were identified and can categorize into superclass groups. In the most three groups, the first one were organic acid and derivative compounds for 46%, and the second were organoheterocyclic compound, which found 16%, and the third were organo-oxygen compound, 15%. The example of the organic acid were lactate, acetoacetate, ophthalmic acid, and N-acetylputrescine. As for the organoheterocyclic compound, the example were 5-hydroxy L-tryptophan and 5,10-methylene tetrahydrofolate. An example of organic oxygen compound were N-acetyl-D-glucosamine and 4-aminobutyraldehyde. For the discussion part, the lactic acid is found in vitreous humor primarily due to anaerobic metabolism that occur after death. And since the vitreous humor has isolated nature, the lactic acid can accumulate in vitreous and has difficulty to distribute into nearby tissue. And the acetoacetic acid is typically produced during the fat metabolism under some conditions like fasting, diabetes, or postmortem metabolic shift, and also can be found in vitreous. The lactate can be a useful marker for postmortem change and metabolic state, and acetoacetic acid can assist in forensic investigation, especially in cases involving ketoacidosis. In conclusion, a total of more than 200 biochemical compounds were identified, and these compounds may prove useful further in forensic investigation. For the acknowledgement, I appreciate the opportunity from the Department of Forensic Medicine and my university to give my chance for this research, and my thanks to Metabolomic Research Group. Thank you for your attention and feel free to ask if you have any questions.